Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's have a look at exactly what you need in order to apply for the Armenian E-Visa. So you can apply for a visitor visa for tourism up to 21 days of stay for just $7, $7 US, and in case you're staying for more than 21 days, then you need to pay $34 to get the visa for 120 days. We applied for the single entry 21 days of stay visa, and we really got the visa in less than 3 working days. If you are wondering whether your nationality requires a visa to visit the Republic of Armenia or not, then you can come to this page and mention the country which issued to you your passport, so your citizenship, your passport type, and you'll get an idea from here whether your country requires a visa or not to visit Armenia. The first thing that you need to do is to check your eligibility for the e-visa. So just need to enter the country of issue of your passport, and then you need to create your account in the e-visa portal. Once you create your account, you'll get an email verification, and if you confirm it, you'll be redirected to the visa portal, and the details that they request over here, it's not that much. They request your passport number, your name of course, your country of birth, place of birth, and your occupation, your residence address, your contact number, your hotel address in Armenia, and you can enter the phone number of your hotel over here as well. Regarding the documents, you need to attach a photo of yourself. Just be sure to follow the picture requirements. You need to upload a scanned copy of your valid passport. And after that, you need to upload a couple of supporting documents to strengthen your visa application, based on which they'll approve your visa. The recommendation is to upload your confirmed air ticket, your hotel reservation, in case you live in a country such as the UK, US, one of the Gulf countries, or if you're a resident of one of the Schengen EU countries. In that case, you can upload your residence permit, or even if you're not a resident, if you have a multiple entry visa issued by these countries, just to strengthen your application, you can upload a copy of your visa. And they also recommend you to upload proof of sufficient funds during your stay in Armenia. So you just need to select document type over here, the kind of document that you are uploading, and you attach the document, and that's it basically. You need to select your purpose of visit in the next page. So if your purpose of visit is tourism, or if you're visiting someone over there, you select that. And after that, you need to select if you're going to apply for a long-term visa or a short-term visa. You need to also enter your date of entry to Armenia, and they clearly mention over here for how many days your visa is going to be valid and between which dates. And it also clearly mentions that your visit to Armenia cannot exceed 21 days, so please abide by it. Then you have the recap page. You agree to the terms and conditions, and then you proceed for your payment. So you can use all popular debit or credit cards in order to pay for this visa. Once the visa is approved by the Armenian government, you get an email, and in the email you'll have the link to download your e-visa. If you've liked this video, then do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos such as this one. We travel all over the world and share our experiences with you.